Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Dope, Hot and Fresh Local Sports. Today's episode is all about netball. We're going up close and personal.
Hi everyone, this is Springstars from Betal and we love netball!
In the heart of Betal Mzinoni, a powerful movement is rising, not on the dance floor, but on the netball court. The Young Sprinters netball team is more than just a group of players. It's sisterhood, a dream, and a safe space for young girls to grow, lead, and shine. Behind this inspiring journey is founder Puseletso Sikwabate, a woman dedicated to keeping young girls off the street and away from negative influence, using sports as a tool of empowerment and hope. Today we step into their world, the court, the community, and the commitment to share their story of passion, purpose, and perseverance. This is Dope, Hot and Fresh, and we bring you the story of the young sprinters, where dreams meet discipline and Kasi pride comes alive.
Sanibonani, igama uPuseletso wakaSikabate. Khona la eBetali ucoach we-Young Sprinters. Young Sprinters icala ngo-2015. Ukucala kwami le team benginenjongo yokuthi ngibona i-youth yala eBetali, there's no sports aba-active kuso, so I thought about it, then ngavula i-team ye-netball, then ngizamile kufuna amanye ama-team e-netball as well. Kwagcine sewakhulile amaningi manje. I think it's number 10 out 10 or 11 la eBetali, of which bewangekho sonke lesikhathi. Then ngaba nalento yokuthi kumele sidevelopele abantwana, because usually bebadlala ama-gambling games kuphela. So njengomuntu obeka ku-sports, mina ngidlalile kakhulu, sidlala ama-league, i-Harry League, iMpumalanga League. So ngabe sengabuya ngaba introduce ukuthi ababuye bajoine i-Gersibande League, so that bazokhona ukuya kuma-trial abo ma-Sunbirds, bakhona ukuthi badlale bamele iMpumalanga. So far since ngaba khona, I think senginama-players adevelopile esewanawo ama-colors nawo abuya ku-TNC Telkom Netball Championships, nabanye ababuya ku-SPAR Championships. Namanje on November, first week ya December khona bazoya kuma-SPAR Championships bayodlala khona. So i-upgradeile kakhulu iBetali since then into eshaya kakhulu kahle kahle ku-netball la eBetali, it's because asinama-facilities, mostly asinawo vele nje at all. Siyazicreatela la esizicreatela khona sijimele khona, but we need to have ama-courts so that sizodevelopa more better when it comes to netball.
So how has the team impacted young women and the community around it?
It has impacted a lot, because at least now abantwana abancane seba more exposed to sports lesabasidlalayo i-netball than ukuthi babe entweni ezirong sebathe ukuphutheka. So lokho nje kulethe umehluko kakhulu, because they can see ukuthi netball awupheleli la, there's more into netball, ukuchubeka ukuya phambili.
Igama lami Emuhle Mlambo, ngidlala i-GK, ngiyadefenda. Igama lami Mhlelo Nkosi Mahudu, ngidlala i-WD wing defend, ngiyadefenda. Igama lami Nosipho Masango, ngidlala i-GA, ngiya-attack. Igama lami Ngusimalobuhle Sibanyoni, ngidlala i-GA, ngiya-attack. Igama lami Abami Nkosi, ngidlala i-win attack, ngiya-attack. Igama lami Uthando Lethu Nkosi, ngidlala i-center, ngiyabasiza. Igama lami Sithabile Gwebu, ngidlala i-GD, ngiyadefend. Igama lami Sipesihle Mathebula, ngidlala i-GS, ngiyakora.
So what achievements or milestone are you mostly proud of since you've started this team?
I am very much proud since ngaqala vele ngi-introduce i-netball. I can mention ama-players esewana ama-colors. Nginompumelelo Ngwenya, nginoNkululeko Khumalo, nginoPhephe, nginozanokuhle Nkosi, nginobuhle Msane. So to me that's an achievement, because ngifike la vele kungana lutho at all. So for me to have labantu about 5 not even 5 Nombali, khona Nombali, khona no Ayanda. 7, that's an achievement. Ukuthi mina since ngaba introducer to the league bese kuba khona abantu abakhona ukuchubeka bafike bayofika le phezulu la ngifisa khona. I still want more for them abaphuma la eBetal, not just for my team but for ama team la eBetal, to see them grow. Kimi nje injabulo enkulu.
So how many tournaments have you participated in and how many have you won? And also, which tournament is most memorable? On this tournament, this is what happened, and
okay, recently we were playing in sports. There was a sports activity in Gavin Peggy Sports, of which it was a tournament. So kube intokozo enkulu kimi to see abantu abami bawina baphuma number 1 kuleyo league leyo, because bese sike sathi ukuhlukana phakathi seats nale team ebesihlangene nayo sahlukana phakathi, and unfortunately to the semi-final we met lapho nabo laba sahlukana nabo, so sakhona ukuthi sibadle sihambe siye ku final. That one was a very memorable game.
On behalf of our team, Sesiphutheleto is our coach. Into athanda ukuyisho kithi ukuthi siqhubeke nesikolo sifunde while sidlala netball elokishini khona sofika nase university sidlale sibe ma-stars e-national team.
Where do you see the team in the next few years, and what kind of support would it help to reach that goal?
Ngifisa ukubabona kuMpumalanga Sunbirds, because mostly Mpumalanga Sunbirds okungilimaza ngayo ukuthi it doesn't have players mostly asempumalanga. Into eyenzakalayo, players will go baye kuma province abo bahluleke batrayele bangakhethwa, then they will run back to Mpumalanga Sunbirds bese bafika lapho bayathathwa, of which ivalela abantwana basempumalanga ama opportunities ukuthi sikhona ukubabona nathi on TV bamele impumalanga. So if that can change, ngamina a lot to me. And as for support, I so wish ukuthi abantu baseBetali, business people, municipally, like everybody, all the stakeholders kahle kahle baseBetali, if they can be supportive, because abekho supportive when it comes to netball angifuna uqamamanga, like siya strugglisha a lot right now. Recently July bengihambile ngingucoach wama under 19 kuyo lo TNC engikhuluma ngayo. Like si strugglile a lot, si strugglishile because abantwana laba kuma under 19 mostly baseseyikolweni abasebenzi mele basponsorisho bazali and besise Cape Town. Can you imagine ukusuka la se Cape Town nabantwana laba abancane bangasebenzi without support ukuthi kunzima kangakanani? But then ngithanda ukubonga futhi iThungela, because iThungela ike ivelile yas assista ngeaccommodation netransport, into besishoda ngayo bokudla, but we manage ukuthi sihlanganise lapho nalapho. But nje stakeholders aseBetali ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi ake basondele basupport municipally, must support us, sports people baseBetali, they must come forward and support us so that ifuture yalabantwana bethu ikwazi ukuqhubeka phambili.
Hayi, uSesiphutheleto kithi uthanda ukusimotivate abantwana bakhe, uyakwazi ukusisekela la singakhoni ukukhuluma khona nabazali, kodwa masinaye sakhona ukukhuluma izinto zethu ezipersonal. Uyasiphatha ke kahle, usiphatha futhi abantwana bakhe, uyasinika uthando lo lesilidingayo. Siyamthanda uSesiphutheleto kakhulu, asifuni aphume empilweni zethu nathi asifuna ukuphuma empilweni yakhe. We love Sesiphutheleto.
So any message to young girls out there ofuna ukuthi bay understand ngokubaluleka kwale sport lesi siyi netball, especially njengamantombazana, ukuthi singadlala iphi indima ezimpilweni zabo nokushintsha impilo zabo nokubagcina, and also futhi nokubakhipha focus and fit.
Engakusho ukuthi young people mababuye bajoine i-netball, sibuye sidlaleni i-netball. Netball is not all about ukungena egroundini udlale. There's a lot that is happening in netball. You can be a coach in netball, you can be an umpire, you can be a good technical table head coach. Kuningi, it's not just about ukungena egroundini udlala. If ever uhlulekile ukuthi uachieve ngokudlala egroundini, uyangena ku technical table, uyahamba uba ucoach, uyayenza umpiring, like maning ama program akhona, it's not just playing. So asibuyeni sidlaleni, siyekeleni lezi zinto zaselokishini, ama-drugs and all that, sibuyeni sisikhipheni busy, siqhubekeni siye phambili. Ngibonga.
Sesibuseletho siyabonga kakhulu ukusi-invite sizonivakashela ejimini. Keep up the good work. We'll keep on supporting you where we can as a Dope Hot and Fresh. Siyabonga.
Thank you.
From dusty courts to determined hearts, the story of young Sprinters netball team reminds us what true community spirit looks like. Founder and coach Puseletso continues to fight for these young girls, not to just play the game but to change their lives. With more support from local stakeholders and sponsors, this movement can grow stronger and reach more girls across Mzinoni and beyond. This is more than just a netball. This is a vision for better tomorrow. You've been watching Dope Hot and Fresh. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and remember, real change starts right here. Ekas, if it's Dope Hot and Fresh, we got to talk about it.